What's up, YouTubers? This is Too Slow. Today, well, tomorrow, because I'm going to be uploading it the day before, but tomorrow is going to be my 1 year anniversary, I guess you could say, 1 year old on my channel, this channel. Yeah, since I uploaded last year, I did the first upload of, what was it, the Corolla Altis taillights, I believe it was. Not too sure. I think it was a Corolla Altis taillights, and I just didn't think I was gonna get it this far. I thought I was gonna, like, halfway I was gonna back out, and like I thought I wasn't gonna, like, you know, continue on and whatnots. But here I am a year later. I seem to have done a change, I guess. I got a lot of people following me. Just want to give everyone a quick thank you just for the support and dedication, and just I've met so many people throughout the years, and I just feel like it's just changing, like it's just life changing. I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to sound too corny or anything, you know. I just like what I'm doing. Like, I like it. It's just meeting new people. That's the thing. I get to meet new people that I would have never met if it wasn't for this car or my other car. And no, I was wrong. It was actually the Ultra Racing rear bar for my Corolla XRS, and the first 3 videos were the Ultra Racing bar, the Altis taillights, and the engine intake for the Corolla XRS. Those were the 3 first videos, and then my 4th video was the very first video where I showed the Celica getting painted. Well, like a I guess you could say like a photo collage, the slideshow of from when I got the car painted, and the very first thing I did to it was install TRD side skirts. So yeah, I got TRD side skirts on it, and other than that, the car was completely bone stock, and it's just been through so much change. The car, like, it's unbelievable. I never thought I was actually going to keep this car. Many of you, I know a couple of you know that I bought this car because of my knee surgery. I had done a video of this a while back, so I'll put a link on that video. But basically, to make the video long to short, I had knee surgery on my left leg, and I had my Corolla XRS before the Celica. Yeah, so I was about to go to school within a month after my surgery, and I was on a full leg cast. And the Corolla XRS being a manual transmission vehicle, there was no way for me to engage and disengage the clutch and drive that car. There was no way. My sisters were working, my parents were working, and there was no one to take me to school. So I was like, how the hell am I gonna get to school? And at first, I tried my dad's Matrix, because his is automatic, and I tried it, but the thing is, with the Matrix, the seats are a bit raised, so you're not sitting at a, I guess, extended, your legs aren't extended out like in the Celica. See, here right now, my leg is fully extended out without a band, and I'm able to have it, and I can drive perfectly fine. That was the whole reason I ended up driving the Celica and keeping it because of that. I was like, yeah, I gotta figure out a way to go to school, so that's why I kept the Celica. But the thing was, I kind of got a little too attached to the Celica. Like, I was telling people, yeah, I'm gonna sell it, it's whatever, I mean, it's automatic, it's whatever. I was telling people I was gonna sell it. I actually had someone already lined up to buy it, but for some weird reason, I don't know what was it, I ended up just starting to modify the car. I was like, I think it was the spoiler and the rear valence that got the TRD spoiler and the rear valence that got me hooked up. Like, I was like, yeah, I gotta make this car look nice. And lo and behold, it all started from there. I started modifying the crap out of this car. Not modifying, but just like changing the looks of it and everything. And then the color came. No, the color came first, obviously, and then the side skirts. So I don't know. I was like, because the paint on it before, it was okay, but it wasn't all that great. So we ended up painting it the turquoise pearl, and I just love it. Like, it gets a lot of attention, it gets a lot of love. There's my haters out there, you know, thank you guys for the support. Thank you, haters. I actually like you guys. It makes me keep moving forward. Yeah, I got like a lot of haters of the color, and they, I really don't care. Goes through one ear, comes out the other. But yeah, I don't want to make this talk too long. I kind of want to show you guys like the progress of what the Celica has become and what's for the future in the Celica. Like, what's gonna happen? Am I gonna keep it? Am I gonna get rid of it? Like, am I gonna do a manual swap? Am I this and that? I don't know. I don't know. It all depends on what I find at the junkyard, honestly. Like, half of these parts are all junkyard parts except for that Gretty front lip. I actually bought that new, and yeah, that wasn't cheap, and it took forever to get. But let me start with the slideshow, guys.
That's what you can say, it's creative. Yeah. Go for what you know. Ready to drop you the mic you are. That was the case, let's see.
So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys again for the continued support. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It encourages me to go forward with the channel, make new content, upload new videos, and it's just, I just want to say just thank you guys. Like, really, I really appreciate it. I don't know how to express it anymore, but it's just crazy. It's a year later since I started the channel. It's weird. I do have the what's it called, the raffle video. I will be uploading that soon. Maybe this week I will be uploading it. I'm sorry I took so long to upload it, but it was just, I was just getting like a lot of stuff like organized to get to Toyota Fest and all that, and now I'm back, so now I'm a little calmed down, so we're gonna get to that video. I'm also gonna think about doing another video like this, but of the Corolla XRS. I haven't done much to it because it is my daily, so I don't like messing with it, but I will make another video of what I've done to it within the year. Obviously I had that car longer, but I just been messing more with the Celica. So yeah, again, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share, and thank you guys for watching.